Sean Evans here from Top 10 Real Estate Deals, and today we're going inside Mark Wahlberg's home as featured in the HBO series Entourage that is on the market for $28.5 million. Boston native Mark Wahlberg got his start as a rapper, fronting the group Marky Mark and the Funky Bunch, before branching out into acting with 1994's Renaissance Man, and in the early 2000s he starred in big budget action movies including The Perfect Storm and Planet of the Apes. He also co-owns the casual dining chain Wahlburgers with his brother Paul, the restaurant's head chef. Mark received his star in the Hollywood Walk of Fame back in 2010. This Beverly Hills home formerly belonged to the star and consists of 1.7 acres of grounds in the gated estate comprising of 13,000 square feet of living space and 1,000 square feet of decks to take in the panoramic views. The property consists of 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms and is very open planned with walls of glass allowing tons of natural light to enter. With full smart home automation, this really is a high-tech and wonderful property that comes complete with a fully equipped theatre with a 136-inch screen, not to mention a 2-story guest house with 2 bedrooms, a full kitchen and a standalone gym with 3,000 square feet of workout space and a full-size boxing ring. This property is a real knockout. I've been Sean Evans, you've been watching Top 10 Real Estate Deals, and stay tuned for every single Monday as we bring you more celebrity properties right to this channel. Goodbye!